Hello, a warm welcome to you all. Today we will see the hatch command, then union command with region command and the join command in AutoCAD. So at first I will draw two rectangles randomly. Now if I use the region command and then if I use union command, see this portion of this rectangle as removed, and these there were two separate rectangles were there, but now this is a solid object now. Okay. Now I am taking a circle. Okay. Okay. So if I use move command to move this circle, this is asking to specify the objects which would move. So I had selected the objects, then it is asking to specify the base point. Okay. This is the base point. Okay. Now I will make an offset. Okay. So this is these circles are representing a cylindrical shaped pipe which has a inner diameter and the outside diameter. This portion is hollow and this is the solid region. Okay. From the front view we can see it, but now I will make an side view of this. Okay. Now I will move this using the ortho command. Okay. After that I have to draw the end sections. Okay. So now this is the hollow section and this is the solid region, these two portions. Okay. So now you can see that I had drawn these things with the lines. Okay. So this is a separate object, this is a separate object like this. So if I use join command, join, here you can see join command, then it is asking to select the source objects or multiple objects to join at once. So I will use these. I can select the objects one by one, or else I can select the total object, all the objects. Then if I press enter, now you can see that these four lines are now treated as one object. Okay, like rectangle. Okay, so Using the join command, you can join the several objects and you can make it as a single object. Now coming to the point is hatch. You can find this hatch from this toolbox, or else you will get it from the under the draw section. Then go to hatch. In the hatch section is the mention as you have to choose the pick points here and here. The solid regions are marked as marked with hatch line, so I choose the solid regions. Okay, but before doing the hatch, you should keep in mind that the hatch is only applicable within a closed boundary. Okay, only the closed boundary section can be hatched. The hatch can be used in the closed boundary section only. Anyway, after choosing the pick points, you can right click in your mouse and then go to preview. It will show the whatever the pattern types are chosen already, so it will automatically show. Again, you can left click on your mouse, then this window will again open. You can set the specific transparency level from here. Okay, you can choose inherit properties, that is if hatch is already drawn in somewhere else in this drawing, you can click on here and you can choose from there also. Okay, so now you can select some objects also. After that hatch drawn, you can remove the boundaries also. You can view the selections also from here, that which section is already selected. Here user can be defined some specific hatch patterns. You can do some custom pattern also. Otherwise you can use a predefined hatch patterns. There are several hatch patterns are available along with the AutoCAD software. So here you can see that the pattern here, the from the drop down menu, you can select. There are several patterns are there which are named properly as per standard, so you can choose from here also. Okay, say if it is a brush material is brush, then I can choose directly brush. So the as per standard, whatever the hatch are mentioned in the standard, hatch pattern of the hatch is already mentioned in the standard, it will show automatically a particular pattern. Okay, so you can see the preview, but in the preview you can see that the pattern is not clearly visible. Okay, if you zoom it, you can get it exact pattern. So what you can do is you can again by clicking the left click on your mouse, you can go to this hatch and gradient tool, this window, and from here you can use the scale. Like I will choose it as 5. See the preview. Now whatever the dimension provided for these object, and whatever the as per the standard, whatever the hatch pattern was drawn in AutoCAD, okay, those are not matching in scale, so you have to just change the scale only to make it visible. I can make it somehow more, so you can see that as I pressed enter, the hatch I came out from the hatch command. So you can see that this is something like this. It's looking like this. If you want to change it, you can just double click on it. Then you can change the scale also. You can make it 6. You can make it 5 also. So if you want to change the angle, then click on here and press enter. You can see that the angle has changed. And make it associative or non-associative also. You can change the background also. That means the color, background color you can change. You can change the color of the hatch pattern drawn. So you can change the color also. The hatch pattern color you can change. Then escape. Look like this. Now I will show you that if I randomly draw a line, okay, like this. Now if I want to add the hatch here, so I have to choose again the line. Now it is showing that a closed boundary could not be determined. That means this is not a closed boundary line and a closed boundary section. That means the closed, as this is not a closed boundary section, so the hatch will not be able to apply the hatch. So you have to join using the join command. Then join. Now see, you can't join it because these are not the, let me show you, these two lines are in same y-axis level, okay. So you can join these two also. But if these are in different axis level, that is, this is y-axis parallel to y-axis and this is the parallel to x-axis, so these will not join by using the join command. We have to use the extend command. It is, you can find it from here, or else you can find it from under the modify, you can go to extend, okay. Now it is asking to select the objects, okay. This is the object, just enter. Then select object to extend or shift, select to trim. So and join by this way, like this way, okay. The join command can't be used if the objects are in different axis or not in the same axis level, okay. Now you can use join hatch command. Peak point is this. Then can choose some other like brick. From here also you can change the angle, okay. you can make it as 0. Again, you can choose the scale also. You can choose the layer also to want to make the new layer for all the hatch patterns drawn in your drawing, in your design. Then you can make all the hatch patterns in a separate layer also. Okay, this is all for now. Thank you.